Jain student, this is your online computer class. We are doing QBasic chapter 3 Introduction to QBasic from your course book. We will continue the same chapter with today also. Keep your book with you and pencil also. We will do the exercise work or assignments as a given in practical, okay, in the last of the book. So keep it with you and let's start our chapter. I will revise the theory portion. I will give you the short recap of that theory portion and then we will continue to the practical, okay. Chapter 3 Introduction to QBasic. You know how to write and start basic programs. All the instructions that we give to the computer in basic language are called program, okay, and to terminate we use enter key. And what is QBasic? It is a short form of QBasic and it is IDE, Integrated Development Environment, where we can write, edit, debug and execute basic programs. How to start that, you know, folder is there, you just click on it and you can open. Then this is the first screen, welcome screen, you can remove using escape key. Then QBasic program window is here. We have menu and document area where we can write. This you know, that's why I am going little bit faster because we have to do the practicals also, okay. Menu bar we have. What menu we have? Find, edit, view, search, run, debug options. It will give provide you most of the operation that you can do with the QBasic. Then how to write a program, that you know, every command is known as a statement and we should follow certain rules. These rules are called syntax, and if we don't follow the syntax we'll get the error and that error is called syntax error. And any QBasic command have three parts: line number, basic statement and command line. This I will show you with the example. Rem is the command, print is the basic statement used to print. Print contain line number, print and text. How? See, just see. This is the first program. 10 RAM, this is my first basic program. We have already done these things. I am just giving you a short recap of this, so be attentive, okay. 20 print hello everybody. I am starting QBasic. See, the first 10 number, this is the number and this is the basic keyword and this is the text that we want to print. See, line number, print and text. The same thing is given here. Line number, print and text, okay. Line number decide the sequence of execution, means program किस sequence में execute होगा. Then print is the command from QBasic keyword and then what text we want to print, that we can write here after print in between double quotes. Then and will end this program, and number is given also here, line number. Now syntax of print statement, you already know, line number, print and text. Just a minute. We cannot change the rule or syntax of any commands. Why? Because it is fixed. जैसे ग्रामर, इंग्लिश ग्रामर में हम ग्रामर के रूल्स फॉलो कर दें, इन द सेम टाइप इन एनी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज वी विल फॉलो द रूल्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिंटेक्स ऑफ दैट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, ओके. नाउ दिस एग्जांपल, you know, if while line number is given in the form of 10, 20, because if there is a gap of numbers we can insert more line in between it. Here I want to insert one more line, that is I want to add a line, and for that what number I have given? 15. So computer will read this 10, then 15, then 20. In this sequence computer will execute this program. First it will read the 10 number line, the in front where 10 is written, then 15, then 20, okay. Now after writing the above program, what you have to do? You have to run the program, okay. Now some more example of print. just simply write the line number, print, and whatever you want to print, you just write here. See, in between double quotes. Double quote is necessary, otherwise it will give you syntax error. If you want to print any equation, then also we will write it between double quotes. See, here it is written at 12 plus 2. It is written in between double quotes. Okay, so what will be the output? 12 plus 2. It is not 14. Why? Because double quotes is there. It will add also. I will show you how. See, when program is written in this way, 10 print 12 plus 2 equal to, and here 12 plus 2 is written between double quotes, तो it will print as it is. आप डबल कोट्स के बीच में जो भी लिखोगे वो as it is print हो जाएगा, उस पर कोई वर्क, कोई कमांड नहीं होगी. Now, see, अब दिस सेकेंड प्रोग्राम, फर्स्ट इज द सिंपल वन, जस्ट टेक्स्ट स्ट्रिंग है जो आपने डबल कोट्स के बीच में लिखी है, तो इट विल प्रिंटिंग एज इट इज. यहाँ पे प्रिंट कमांड एज इट इज प्रिंट कर रहा है. ओके, नाउ अब सी द सेकेंड प्रोग्राम. सेकेंड प्रोग्राम में क्या है? इट इज रिटन 10 प्रिंट डबल कोट्स 2 plus 3 equal to double quotes, and in second line 20 print 2 plus 3. What is the difference between these two lines? In first line the text is written between double quotes, and in second line there is no double quote. So see the answer. First में output क्या होगा? 2 plus 3, because double quotes में, तो as it is print हो जाएगा. और second में answer क्या होगा? It is 5, because it now there is no double quotes, so number print acts as a command and it will add the numbers. Okay, in print statement all alphabets and symbols other than plus, minus, multiplication, division should be put inside quotation. Number can be put within or without the quotation. Okay, now whatever you type inside the double quotes, it will be displayed as it is. See, in this example na, whatever you write in between double quotes, it is displayed as it is. Now, अब number can be placed inside or outside the quotation. Okay, अगर inside होगा तो it will be printed as it is, or without quotation it will calculate it. It will take is as a mathematical equation and it will calculate it. See here, so we will write 2 and output is 2. If we print 2, here it is 2 na, so it will print like same. Okay, now some more example. Simply in between double quotes, whatever you write between double quote, it will print as it is. 10 print I am a good student, 20 print I love my country. So which is the first line of output? I am a good student, and second line of output is I love my country. Okay, now see, अब I told you na, every language follows some syntax. So here also we are following the syntax or not? No. What is missing? Why output is written as syntax error? Why? Because this is not a mathematical equation. अब mathematical equation नहीं है तो why syntax error? Because we have not put the double quotes here. Okay, here also I have written, we have written a text string and double quotes is missing. Just see, if we put the double quotes, it will give you the output like this. Got it? Now some more thing that you have to learn, because how to put the gap between two words or numbers. So for that we have comma. See, 10 print computer and science. Computer and science are two different words, and I want to put the gap in between these two words. So what I have done, I have put a comma here. So see the output, computer, then space, then science. If I write semicolon, then there is no gap. इस चीज को याद रखिएगा. Okay, comma will put the gap between two words in print statement. Semicolon will not put any gap and if I want to shift, if I want to shift our word from the starting of a screen, then we will use tab. What we will use? Tab. Tab here in this example, 10 print tab 20, then welcome 20 and output is welcome. Kitna? It displays after 20 positions on the screen. Okay. So what we have to do to put the zonal gap, we use comma between two words, and if we put semicolon, there is no gap between it. And then if I want to display the word from the starting of a screen, then we will use tab. Okay. Now see, this is the exercise now. So first we have left for the practical. So today we will do how to print this statement A B C D. ये कैसे print करेंगे? Here A B C. तो what is here? Here is a gap and then basic, then 2 3 4, and here in E there is a gap and basic. Just think on it, open your book and we will do and check in practical. Okay, this also, and then activity time will identify the error and correct the programs, then assignment. Okay, so let's start our practicals. Okay students, so let's do the practical portion of this chapter. Hope all of you have your book. If still you don't have, I am giving you 1 minute. Just bring it and open page number 34. Do it fast. Okay class, now let's start. On page number 34 we have this exercise. Question 1, write the instructions for printing the following. Means you need this output, and what should you write for this? Means which command you write to get this output. This is your question. Okay, so this will we check practically. So open QBasic. This we have. I have opened you in front of question so that you can match it. Okay, so now let's start. I am going to start with the print statement. So how to write? 10, then in capital letter print, and what output we need? A, B, C, D. So we will write, this is a text, take double quotes and in between it write A, B, C, D. Okay, that's it. In next line 20 and then and. Now run this. Go to run menu and click on start. Okay, you got the output. Output is A, B, C, D. This we need. The question is, what instruction you write for printing A, B, C, D? So what we have written? 10 print A, B, C, D in between double quotes and then 20 and. That's all. Okay. Now for B part, what we have to do? A, B, C. There is written A, B, C and we have to put gap in between it. तो gap कैसे आएगा? In same program देखो हम क्या change करेंगे. Gap कैसे आता है? By putting comma. तो first we write A in between double quotes, then comma, then double quote, B, close, and then comma, double quote, C, and close it. Now see how you have written 10 print. अभी तक आपने क्या किया था? ABCD should be in between one double quote. Now we have to put the space between A, B and C. So what we have done, A alag double quotes में, B alag, C alag, and which comma is separator between it. Okay, now run it. See, this is the desired output, A, B and C. Got it? कैसे आया? Just 10 print A double quotes comma B double quotes comma then C double quote. Okay, got it? Now third one is basic. So simple one, you have to write basic. So BASIC, basic, and then double quote and C. Start. Got the output? Simple one. जब भी whenever you want simply any text simply, then you have to write that text between double quotes. Okay, in the same way next D1 में we need 2, 3, 4. So for that simply write 2, 3, 4 in between double quotes. You will get the answer, desired output. Got it? What is the output? 2, 3, 4. Okay, एक बार फिर से चेक कर लो. If you want to show anything as it is without any gap and any gap from the screen, just put it in between double quotes after print. Okay, next is you have to print 2, 3, 4 with gap. So for that, just remember what we have done for B part. The same thing we will do here. Just write double quotes 2 and close this double quote, then put comma, then again one double quote, then 3, then close this, and then comma, and then double quote, and then 4 and close this, and go to run menu and run it. Got the desired output? What output we need? 2, 3, 4. So here we got the output 2, 3, 4. Okay, E part done. Now next one, simple basic. So for that 10 print. Now basic. And run. Got it? How? Just simply you have written basic between double quotes. Okay, in C portion we have all the letters, alphabets in capital, but in F portion only the first one is capital, rest is the small one. Okay, got it? Chalo. Filling the blanks and rest exercise I have already given you. I am not going to close it. Just minimize it and we'll proceed. Now we have activity time. So just see. We will print it one by one and check what is the error. The first one is, just a minute. The first one is 10 print my favorite subject. Okay, so here it is written, beta and sub में रहेगा. Okay, so leave it as it is. Just print 10 print my favorite subject. My just a minute. Okay, my favorite subject. Okay, now double quote and I have written as it is given in the question. Just run it and see. You got the desired output. It means statement is right. There is no error. Okay. So the first one is correct. Take in your book. Now next is 20 print maths. तो first I am going to change here 10 को हम लोग क्या कर लेंगे and then 20 and को फिर हम increase करेंगे, that is 30. Now 20 print maths. And I am going to run it. It is coming 0. It is not giving you the desired output. Why? Because there is no double quote. So we have to put here double quotes. See? Okay, and then run. Got the desired output? So what is the correction in the second one? You have to put maths in between double quotes. Okay. Now check the third one. 30 signs. So what is missing here? Print is missing here. Got it? What is missing? Print is missing. So what I have to write? Just correct is print, then double quote signs. Okay. Got? Okay. Now, so next one is 40 print English. This statement is right. There is no problem in this statement. Okay. 50 and yes, this statement is also right. Now come to next one. 10 print 12 plus 6. So let's check it. If you want to change the number before the print, you can change it, otherwise you can leave it as it is. 10 print, what is written? 12 plus 6. Just check. 12 plus 6 then equal to double quotes. Okay. You know whatever written in between double quotes, it is shown on the output screen same. So just see. Yes, this is the desired output. 12 plus 6 equal to, it is written here 12 plus 2, and same thing I have written here 12 plus 6 equal to. This we will get as a output. Okay, now close it. Next one is 12 plus 6 without double quotes. See, this is the next one. Print 12 plus 6. I have written 12 plus 6. Now run it and check. Answer should be 18. Why? Because without double quotes, it is at mathematical expression and solve it. So 12 plus 6 is 18. That's why output is 18. Okay. Next is 12 multiplied by 8. Okay. For multiply, we will put the star sign given on the 8 key. On your keyboard, numbers key are there na, तो 8 के ऊपर there is a star. So 12 plus 8, 12 multiplied by 8 and then equal to, and run it. See, there is a error because it will not take equal to. अगर हम equal to हटा दें तो it will run. 12 8s are 96. Okay, 12 8s are 96. So what is the error here? 30 print 12 multiplied by 8. We have to remove equal to. Okay, we have to remove equal to. We will get the desired output. Okay. In next, it is correct because in between double quotes it is printed as it is. Okay. The next one is, here also we are missing double quotes. So check it. Put it here and then 70 and. Now minimize this and move to next. Now we have this assignment. Assignment is given on page number 36. Open it. What we have to do? We have to write the output. Output में difference आप कैसे देखोगे कि where it is semicolon, comma, कैसे हमारा output change होता है. तो you know, simply if you want to put the gap, so there should be comma, semicolon will not put the gap, and tab will display from the initial position. These are the three things that you have to remember. Now we will do these, check for these outputs. Okay, just a minute. Now the first one is 10 print Arjun. And next one is 20 print, what is written? Grade. Then double quotes and then see semicolon. Okay, not comma, semicolon, and then 5, then comma, okay. This is written. In first place there is a semicolon, and in second place there is a comma. Semicolon will not give any space and comma will provide you space. Now the 30 is, next is 30 print tab, and then 3. After that semicolon, and then India High School, and then at the end it is written 30 na, so we have to write it 40. And now check the output. For that we have to run it. For that go to run menu and click on start. Now see, this is the output. Arjun, simply we have printed the Arjun. Then grade 5F. So what is the difference between grade and 5? There is a semicolon, so there is a no space. See, grade and 5 के बीच में there is no space. Okay, there is no space between grade and 5, and there is a space between 5 and F. Why? Because we have put a comma here. Okay, so comma will create the space. Now tab 3 means it will display from the initial position. Rest 2 जो ऊपर वाले हैं वहाँ पे there is it start from the left hand side boundary, and the third one displayed from the boundary. How? Why? Because we have put the tab 3 here. If I will increase the tab value, just see, instead of writing 3 I am going to write 30, and see the difference. Got it? It will display more from the left hand boundary. In this way, comma, semicolon and tab use. Now check the second one. Okay, I am not going to erase the print. First one mein what we have to do? Print. After print we have tab 3, and then semicolon, and then my hobbies. Then print tab, what is written? 35. Okay, and then semicolon, and what is written? Reading. Next one also we have tab 35, printing. Okay, next 40 print tab 35 semicolon tennis. Then semicolon, then football. Okay, next is 50 print tab, what value is there? 35, and then semicolon, and then chatting, and then comma, and then cooking, and then 60 and now run it. See, my hobbies is displayed little because tab is 3 position. It will display very little space. Okay, now next is print 35, print tab 35. So in 20, 30, 40 and 50 all lines we have tab 35, so there is a same displacement. Okay, in now first line we have reading, so it is reading, next printing, so printing, next tennis and football, but there is a semicolon. So no gap between tennis and football, just see tennis and football. But in next line we have chatting and cooking, so we have comma in between it, these two words. So here here we have gap between chatting and cooking. Got the output? Note it. Okay, now next the last one. In last one tab 20, 19 and 18. Okay, so we will move and we have to print the star one. Chalte hain. Now we have tab 20, 20 and then semicolon, and what we have to print? The star. Where it is here on your keyboard, it is at the above side of upper side of 8 key. So that we can print using shift plus 8. Okay, in next line we have how many stars? 3 stars. And what is the value of tab? 19. In next line we have tab 18, and then how many stars? 5. Okay, and remove the last 2 lines, delete it. It is 40. Now run. Got the star? This is the pyramid of star. Okay, so how? 20. In first statement it is displayed 20, and in second one it is displayed 90 position, and in third space it is displayed 18. Okay, in first we have printed 1 star in between double quotes, in second line 3 star in between double quotes, and in third line we have printed 5 star in between double quotes. Now note down the output. Okay children, that's all for this chapter. We will do more practical. Okay, I will give you some more assignment, practice on it.